Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, if you can find your saved passwords in Chrome, you know you saved them, but now they're just gone. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Chrome saved passwords not showing step by step. So, first, you need to open Google Chrome. Now, once you open Chrome, click the three dots at the top right corner. After that, you need to go to Settings down here. So, tap on it. Once you're on settings, at the left side, click autofill and passwords. Now select Google Password Manager. So this is where all your saved passwords should appear. If nothing shows up, check this setting. So inside Password Manager, click on settings at the left side. Now make sure offer to save passwords is turned on. So here you can see offer to save passwords and passkeys is turned off, so just enable it. So if this was off, Chrome may not have saved anything, so make sure it is turned on. Now your passwords are tied to your Google account, so you can check if you're logged in to the correct one. So look at your profile at the top right, switch accounts if needed, and wrong account equals missing passwords. Now next you can turn on sync. So if sync is off, your passwords won't appear across devices. So to fix this, click on the three dots at the top right, scroll down and go to settings again. Once you're in settings, click on You and Google. So it's the first one in the left side. So just click on that. Then at the right side, turn on sync. So click on turn on sync, tap on yes I'm in, and make sure passwords is enabled. Next, what you can do is to check if passwords were deleted. So sometimes they're not missing, they were removed. Next, you can update or restart Chrome. So outdated or bug Chrome can cause this issue. So update Chrome to the latest version. So to do that, click on the three dots at the top right, scroll down to settings. Now tap on about Chrome and check for new updates and updated to the latest version. You can also restart your browser or sign out and sign back in. Next, check for extensions or bugs. So some extensions can interfere with autofill, so you need to make sure you disable suspicious extensions and test again. And that's how you can fix Chrome save passwords not showing. Most of the time, it's either a sync issue, wrong account, or a simple setting turned off. So fix those and your password should come right back. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.